Routers and switches. Router. It connects various networks simultaneously, whereas a switch connects various devices simultaneously. A router forwards data packets between computer networks, whereas a switch forwards data packets from network to devices. A router works in network layer, whereas a switch works in data link layer. Here is how it works. Client sends the request or data to the router. The router will send the data to the specific switch, and the switch will know to which computer should the request be sent. Firewall. It is a network security device that monitors the incoming and outgoing traffic and decides whether to block or allow the traffic based on the security rules defined. Let's consider it this way. Do you allow strangers to enter into your house? No, right? So, in the same way, the firewall does not allow undefined traffic to enter. In the previous diagram, the router transfers the packets to switches. But now, the firewall is introduced. The firewall will decide whether to block or allow the traffic based on the defined rules. If it decides to allow the traffic is sent to the switches, and the switch will know to which computer the request or the traffic needs to be sent.